Hey guys, it's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. I'm here to show you guys Outre's newest unit, and it's from the premium Duby wig collection. It's available in different colors if you want to get that. Those are the colors that come in. I saw a deep violet that was really pretty, and a deep blue for you color girls. And I wanted to show you guys what the inside of this unit looks like. And it looks like it's nice and airy, fluffy. And then this little thing here is very stretchable, so it fits all size heads. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like coming fresh out of the pack. And so, of course, you wouldn't dare wear it like this. So we're just gonna doctor it up a little bit, and I will show you guys once I finish doing what I do. And I think I'm gonna bring you guys along for the process so you can see how to make this wig look more custom made for you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this unit from the front side, and I want to section it off because I want a two-dimensional color in it, and I'm just going to try to neutralize this blonde, this yellowish blonde, and make it more of a ash blonde. So we want to take this top portion of this hair, and we're gonna just section it off. And once I section it off, I'm gonna put it in a rubber band, guys, and that's gonna be the portion that we leave out. So I think that's enough to do like the low lights. We're gonna add darker colors to the top portion, so I want to make sure that this is sectioned off from the bottom portion. And there, this is our sectioning. So now we're gonna go and take it and we're gonna do a watercolor method on it. So here we didn't even touch the top of it, and you can see the color difference. It took all the yellow out of the hair. So now we're gonna go back in and mix a little bit more of this color with the water, and then I want some darker tones on the top. So this is what it looks like once we finish shampooing and conditioning the hair. So here's what this looked like once we did the color on it. And see, it has the dimensions of color, if you guys can see that. And I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in the rough first. And then I'll be able to show you how I would fix this unit. So the bangs are not cut out. So I'm gonna go in and notch out some bangs, and I'm gonna do it on my mannequin head, but I get an ideal. Matter of fact, I might curl it like this first. Let's see. So we're flat ironing it straight so we can get a definite look of the length. And now that we see the outcome, we can go ahead and start cutting. So the ideal is just to keep this lengthy as possible as for the first process. So here's how it looks after I trimmed it. Now I'm going to put it on, and you could just see that it's flat iron. It doesn't have any layers or anything. It's just cut roughly and flat iron. So now we're just going to add some nice loose curl to this style and watch how it changes the dimensions of the style. So now we're going to go ahead and proceed with another style, and I'm going to cut these bangs a lot shorter than the last time. So these bangs are full and they have a round contour around the face. And here I'm just going in to clean up any loose hairs that I missed. A slight bump here. And we're just going to split this right here so it'll look like we have a part. So I'm going to make these bangs blunt cut. To me, that gives a more edgy, fun look. Now, just to spice it up a bit, we're just going to make this curly. And it's going to give it a whole nother look. So right here, I'm just doing a slight bend and then more of a drag with these curls. That way it kind of elongates the length of the hair. The curls are not so tight, they're more loose. So I can say that this hair did meet or superseded my expectations with it. It really felt like it wasn't going to be a feeling where I could really go in and really customize this unit when I first opened a pack. But once I wet it and colored it, the way that it came out wet looks like natural hair to me. And to see that the color grabbed the hair really, really well, I'm impressed. And then on top of that, I was able to set the hair. And then once I set the hair, I was able to curl the hair, and the curls really hold and locked in, guys. So I do appreciate this quality of hair. An update: about 3 days later, after I shot this video, I hung the hair up on the mannequin head, and the curls were still locked in. So this is like really, really, really good quality hair. I'm not sure of the price, but it will be in the link in the description box. All the information you need in regards to this product. Yeah, you guys check it out. But for my review, this is a good investment for those who don't want to spend a whole lot of money but want good quality. This is it.